Welcome everyone. Today I want to tell you a simple story. But this is not just a story. It is a reminder. A reminder that excuses are powerful, but determination is stronger. Many people say they want to learn English. They say it every year. They buy books. They watch videos. They make plans. But months pass and nothing changes. Why? Because excuses slowly take control. I am too busy. My English is too weak. I am too old to learn. Maybe next month. These excuses sound small, but they stop progress. Today's story is about a young man who decided to stop making excuses and start taking action. His journey will show you something important. Learning English is not about talent. It is about discipline, courage, and daily effort. The young man's name was Arjun. He lived in a small town where English was not commonly spoken. In school, he studied English like most students. He memorized grammar rules. He passed exams. But when it came to speaking, he stayed silent. Every time someone spoke English around him, he felt nervous. His heart started beating faster. His mind became blank. Words disappeared. So he avoided speaking English whenever possible. Inside his mind, he kept repeating the same sentence, "My English is not good enough." One day Arjun got an opportunity to attend a job interview in a big company in the city. This job could change his life. It could help his family. It could give him confidence and independence. He prepared carefully. He studied technical skills. He practiced interview questions. But when the interview started, something unexpected happened. The interviewer spoke in English. Simple questions. Simple sentences. But Arjun froze. His mind stopped working. He understood the questions, but he could not answer properly. He struggled to form sentences. After a few minutes, the interview ended politely. But Arjun already knew the result. When he walked out of the building, he felt disappointed. Not angry. Not frustrated. Just disappointed in himself. He realized something very important that day. The problem was not intelligence. The problem was fear. For years, he had been studying English quietly, but he never trained himself to actually use it. He always told himself, "I will speak when I become better." But that moment never came. That evening, Arjun sat alone and thought deeply about his situation. He asked himself a simple question: how long will I keep making excuses? He realized that excuses had become a comfortable habit. They protected him from embarrassment, but they also kept him stuck. At that moment, he made a decision. A small decision, but a powerful one. He decided that from that day forward, excuses would no longer control his progress. Arjun did not create a complicated plan. He did not promise to study 10 hours a day. Instead, he started with one simple rule: every day he would practice English, no matter what. Even if he was tired. Even if he was busy. Even if he felt uncomfortable. His first practice was simple. Every morning he spoke about his day for 5 minutes in English. His sentences were broken. His grammar was not perfect. Sometimes he stopped in the middle of a sentence. But he kept going. At first, it felt strange. Talking to himself in English felt awkward. Sometimes he laughed at his own mistakes. Sometimes he forgot simple words. But something interesting started happening. After a few days, his sentences became smoother. After a few weeks, he started thinking in English more often. Slowly, his brain was adapting to the language. Arjun also changed how he listened to English. Instead of watching long movies that he barely understood, he started listening to short clips every day. 1 minute. 2 minutes. He listened carefully. He repeated sentences out loud. He tried to imitate pronunciation and rhythm. At first he understood only a few words. But with repetition, more words became clear. His ears were learning. Another important habit Arjun developed was speaking without fear of mistakes. Earlier, he believed that speaking English meant speaking perfectly. Now he understood something different. Speaking English meant communicating ideas, even if the sentences were not perfect. When he accepted this idea, the pressure disappeared. Mistakes became part of the learning process, not something to avoid. Weeks turned into months. Arjun's daily routine stayed simple but consistent. 10 minutes of speaking. 10 minutes of listening. 5 minutes of reading aloud. 5 minutes of writing a short diary entry. Some days he practiced longer. Some days he only did the minimum. But he never stopped completely. Even on difficult days, he followed his rule, do something, not nothing. As his confidence grew, Arjun started speaking English with real people. At first it was uncomfortable. His voice felt shaky. He searched for words slowly. But every conversation made him stronger. Every mistake became a lesson. He noticed that people were patient. Many people appreciated his effort to communicate. Slowly the fear inside him started disappearing. One day something surprising happened. Arjun was speaking with a colleague who asked him a question in English. Without thinking too much, Arjun answered naturally. The sentence came out smoothly. No long pause. No panic. After the conversation ended, he realized what had happened. For the first time in his life, English had felt natural. That moment gave him incredible motivation. It showed him that progress was real. Not perfect, but real. The language that once felt impossible was slowly becoming familiar. He continued practicing daily, always focusing on consistency rather than intensity. Several months later, Arjun received another interview opportunity. This time he felt nervous again, but the feeling was different. It was not fear anymore. It was excitement. When the interview started, the interviewer spoke in English again. But this time Arjun did not freeze. He listened carefully. He answered calmly. His sentences were not perfect, but they were clear. He explained his ideas confidently. At the end of the interview, the interviewer smiled and said something encouraging. Your communication is good, and I like your confidence. A few days later, Arjun received the message he had been waiting for. He got the job. But the real success was not the job. The real success was the transformation inside him. He had learned that excuses are powerful obstacles. They sound logical. They feel comfortable. But they slowly steal opportunities. When he removed excuses from his life, progress finally started. This story carries an important message for anyone learning English. Many people believe they need perfect conditions to start. They believe they need more time, more knowledge, or more confidence. But improvement does not come from waiting. Improvement comes from action. Small daily action. You do not need perfect grammar to start speaking. You do not need a large vocabulary to begin practicing. You only need the courage to start. When you speak daily, your brain learns faster. When you listen daily, your ears become stronger. When you make mistakes, you learn what to improve. Remember this simple truth: fluency is not built in one day. It is built through hundreds of small efforts repeated consistently. Each sentence you speak, each word you learn, each conversation you attempt brings you closer to your goal. Many learners stop because they do not see immediate results. But language learning works like exercise. At first, progress feels slow. But if you continue consistently, improvement becomes visible. Suddenly you understand more. Suddenly you respond faster. Suddenly conversations feel easier. The biggest enemy in this journey is not difficulty. It is excuses. Excuses tell you that tomorrow will be better. They tell you that today is not the right time. But tomorrow often becomes next week, next month, or next year. Instead of waiting for the perfect moment, create progress with the moment you have right now. Speak a few sentences. Listen to a short clip. Read a small paragraph. Write a few lines about your day. These small actions may look simple, but together they create powerful transformation. If Arjun had continued making excuses, his story would have been very different. He might still be waiting for confidence. He might still be afraid of speaking. But one small decision changed everything. The decision to stop waiting and start practicing. Your journey can change the same way. It does not matter where you start. It does not matter if your English feels weak today. What matters is what you choose to do next. If you practice daily, if you stay patient, if you refuse to let excuses control your actions, your English will improve. One day you will notice the same change that Arjun experienced. The language that once felt difficult will begin to feel natural. Conversations that once felt stressful will start to feel comfortable. Opportunities that once felt impossible will become possible. So remember this message whenever you feel discouraged. Do not wait for perfect conditions. Do not wait for perfect knowledge. Start with what you know today. Speak, listen, read, and write a little every day. Because progress does not belong to the most talented learner. Progress belongs to the most consistent learner. Keep practicing. Keep improving. And never let excuses stop you from reaching your goals. Your English journey is not limited by where you started. It is defined by how strongly you decide to continue. Months passed after Arjun started his new job, but something inside him had changed forever. Earlier, he believed success depended on talent or luck. Now he understood something much more powerful. Success depends on daily habits. The small things you do every day slowly shape your future. Arjun continued practicing English even after getting the job. Many people would stop at that point. They would feel satisfied. But Arjun had learned an important lesson during his journey. Growth does not stop when you reach one goal. Growth continues when you keep pushing yourself forward. Every morning before leaving for work, Arjun spent 10 minutes speaking English out loud. Sometimes he talked about his plans for the day. Sometimes he described something interesting he had learned at work. Sometimes he practiced explaining ideas clearly. These short speaking sessions became a powerful training habit. His confidence grew stronger each week. His mind began forming sentences faster, and the hesitation that once controlled him slowly disappeared. At work, Arjun started noticing new opportunities. Earlier, when meetings were conducted in English, he preferred to stay silent and listen. But now he began sharing small opinions. At first, his sentences were short and simple. But the important thing was that he spoke. His colleagues appreciated his effort. They saw his determination. Slowly they began including him more in conversations and discussions. One day during a team meeting, something unexpected happened. The manager asked if anyone could explain a project update to an international client during an online meeting. For a few seconds the room became quiet. Arjun's heart started beating faster. The old version of him would have immediately avoided the opportunity. Fear would have told him to stay silent. But this time something was different. The months of practice had built a new mindset. Instead of listening to fear, he remembered the rule he had followed since that day after the failed interview: no excuses. He slowly raised his hand. The manager looked surprised but nodded. The next day Arjun joined the meeting with the client. Of course he still felt nervous. But this time his nervousness did not stop him. He spoke clearly. He explained the project step by step. His sentences were not perfect, but his ideas were understandable. The client listened carefully and asked a few questions. Arjun answered them calmly. When the meeting ended, the manager smiled and said something that Arjun would never forget: "Your English has improved a lot. More importantly, your confidence is impressive." Those words meant more to Arjun than any exam result he had ever received. Because he knew the truth behind that improvement. It was not magic. It was not talent. It was simply daily effort repeated again and again. After that day, Arjun began helping others who struggled with English just like he once did. Some of his friends often complained about their situation. They said learning English was too difficult. They said they did not have enough time. They said they were afraid of making mistakes. When Arjun heard those words, he smiled gently because he had once said the same things. Instead of criticizing them, he shared his story. He told them about the failed interview that had changed his mindset. He told them about speaking alone every morning even when it felt uncomfortable. He told them about listening to short clips repeatedly until his ears improved. Most importantly, he told them about the decision to remove excuses from his life. Some people listened carefully and started practicing. Others continued making excuses. And that difference taught Arjun another powerful lesson about life. Advice can open a door, but only action allows someone to walk through it. As time passed, Arjun's English became stronger and more natural. Conversations at work felt easier. Presentations felt less stressful. He even started watching English interviews and podcasts to learn new ideas and perspectives. What once felt like a difficult subject in school had now become a useful skill in everyday life. But the most valuable change was not language ability. The most valuable change was his mindset. He no longer believed that success depended on perfect conditions. He understood that progress begins when you take responsibility for your actions. One evening after work, Arjun sat quietly and reflected on his journey. He remembered the nervous student who used to avoid speaking English in class. He remembered the disappointment after that failed interview. If someone had told that younger version of Arjun that one day he would confidently speak English in professional meetings, he might not have believed it. Yet here he was. That realization filled him with gratitude and motivation. It reminded him that human potential is much greater than we often believe. Many people stop themselves before they even begin. They assume improvement is impossible, so they never try seriously. But the truth is simple. Improvement becomes possible the moment you stop making excuses. If you are learning English right now, you may sometimes feel the same challenges that Arjun once faced. You might feel nervous when speaking. You might worry about grammar mistakes. You might compare yourself to others and feel discouraged. These feelings are normal. Every learner experiences them. What matters is what you choose to do next. You can allow fear to stop you, or you can take one small step forward. Speak a few sentences today. Listen to English for a few minutes. Try expressing your ideas even if they are not perfect. Every attempt strengthens your ability. Remember that fluency does not appear suddenly. It grows slowly through repetition and patience. The sentences you practice today become easier tomorrow. The words you struggle with today become natural next month. One day, just like Arjun, you will notice a powerful change. You will realize that English no longer feels like a difficult task. Instead, it will feel like a normal part of your communication. You will understand conversations more easily. You will express your ideas more confidently. And when that moment arrives, you will look back at your journey with pride. Not because everything was easy, but because you refused to give up. So whenever you feel tempted to say, I will start later, remember this story. Progress begins when excuses end. The most successful learners are not the smartest people in the room. They are the ones who practice even on the days when motivation feels weak. Keep moving forward step by step. Speak even when your voice feels uncertain. Listen even when you understand only a little. Read, write, and practice consistently. These small actions are building your future fluency. Your journey may take time, but every effort matters. Every mistake teaches you something new. Every day of practice brings you closer to confidence. So do not wait for perfect grammar. Do not wait for perfect vocabulary. And most importantly, do not wait for perfect courage. Start with the English you have today. Because the moment you stop making excuses is the moment your real progress begins. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English and your life, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join this learning journey with us. And watch the next story on your screen to continue improving your English.